Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Google Pixel 11 Pro. First of all, you're gonna have to turn off your smartphone. To do that, we can press power button and volume up key at the same time, then select power off and wait until the smartphone is entirely shut down. Once it is, we're gonna have to press and hold the volume down key and the power button at the same time. Once the device vibrates, we can release the power button and keep holding down the volume down key until the fast boot menu appears on the screen. Use volume keys to navigate between menus and power button to select. Now, the mode that we're looking for is the recovery mode, so once it's highlighted, press the power button to open it, and then wait for it to pop up on your screen. Now, you're gonna see this annoying robot. To skip it, hold down the power button and short press the volume up key. And this will get you to recovery mode. Here you can navigate using volume down and up keys and select with the power button. To restart your device, select Reboot System Now. And to proceed with the factory reset operation, you have to navigate to wipe data/factory reset. Okay, let me just exit this menu by navigating to the first option, which will restart our device, and select it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.